Hey y'all, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches, Series 12. And yes, I know I'm behind. It's August, but I'm doing it. I am working on the sketch from June 31st from Crystal Barrett at Pineapple Papers. So let's see what we have here. We've got a torn bit. A torn bit looks like a plain background with maybe some mixed media, and then lots of layers. And this will really work for the product I have. Let me show you what I'm working with. I have got a kit from the Scrap Room. It was from August 2022, and it is a Let's Create collection from Echo Park. So I have one full-size sheet of white, so that will be my background. I've got a fairly full-size piece. This is the journaling cards one. I've got this one that looks like washi tape. I've got this piece. So I have created with this. I've designed with it, all of that kind of stuff. I have a full-size sticker sheet. Only a few things are missing. That's not bad. And I've got lots and lots of fun die cuts. Great. So, oh, and I have my photo. This is a photo of myself at a crop, and my friend Anessa was taking my picture from over there, and I'm working on a layout. There you go. Wearing my Good Vibes super comfy dress. Okay, so let's see what we have to do here. Let's take a look-see. Crystal has two pieces right here that are torn. I'm wearing, I don't know, orange pretty much. It's gray and orange. So I'm thinking of bringing in this color for my torn bits. This is the closest I have. It's kind of like a brown terracotta kind of a vibe. What I'm doing here is I'm cutting a couple of pieces off so I can try to get as much of torn corner edges as I can. There is a plan to what I'm doing. I'm just trying to clean up a piece of paper. Because when I'm done creating, I generally just toss my stuff in the bag and I move on because I want to play with the next thing. Okay, so we've got torn edge, right? Pretty good size torn edge. And then we're going to do same thing on the other side. And guys, I can always make it smaller. It's not a big deal. Is that kind of eating it? I don't know. Maybe we want that much. And on the sketch, the one down here is actually smaller, but I'm thinking of doing it like that. Thinking of doing opposite day on it. And that's totally fine because, you know, I'm the boss of me. Not that it's that much smaller, but I think that works, doesn't it? This one kind of looks like a hill. I don't know if I need it to be a hill. There we go. So this is what we have right here. Oh, and I need to map my photo with white cardstock. That's not going to be a big deal. I've got a handy dandy piece right here. You know, there's like a little like scuffy thing that's part of the manufacturing on that. So I'm just gonna flip it around. I still want this side smaller. There's no good reason why. It just wants to be that way today. Here we go. Now I feel better. So that's working fine with my oranginess. Now what? Now on the sketch, there's all kinds of pieces just like put together to mat the photo. So I'm going to go off with all of our different patterns doing that in just a second. And I have to figure out, like on the sketch, she has this mixed media stuff going on. I'm low-key looking at some things, wondering like, do I want to create my own pattern paper by cutting these out and just haphazardly putting them around? And my answer is I do. So we're going to do that. Oh, this paper is gorgeous. Going to use that one for my matting. These are pretty. I have a couple of florals left. Whatever I can cut out of here for fussy cutting, I'm going to do that because I love florals. Can use that for matting. And this won't do a whole lot for matting, but I rather like it. What else is on here? Oh, I've got a floral there I can fussy cut. So maybe I should look at, oh, and I have this piece I can fussy cut for a die cut piece. So I've got a little bit of homework to do. I'll meet you back here in a bit. I'm getting some good traction. I made a cute little shaker out of this frame. I've got like a half-used little bit here. I thought I could do something like that so I could have a little bit of the wood. And I have a banner piece. It's a bit tone on tone, but you know, I'm using what I can. And then I have these other pieces that I've gone ahead and fussy cut, and I'm just kind of deciding where they should go. That looks like it's on the wonk, guys, and I don't know if it is or not. Might be a total, oh, it's only a tiny bit. Why is it bugging me? It's only a tiny bit. I gotta relax. All right, so then I've got some of these little floral bits that I need to tuck in. I like that this one has some of that wood grain too. And part of the reason I was thinking the wood grain is not a bad idea, it's because my hair is really dark. So I was like, okay, that'll kind of look like that. So let's get this blue floral in there because I love blue. We've got this cute little camera here that has tape and some scissors. Crafty and Happy. That might be kind of cute there. Oh, it's got one of those little pieces that you just want to notch out. You know, those little bits. So let's go like that. I'm going to pop up this, this little water thing that would have the paint in it. We've got a floral that can come out this way. Now I've got this scrapbook, but oh, you know what? I can go kind of like this. That might be cute to have those two pieces coming out. Okay. So that is good. We've got good traction there. Now let's see what we have in here. I'm sorry about my arm. Let me go across. What I'm trying to get is this piece here. It's my black, and I always put my stickers on it. So I've got this giant floral right here, and I can potentially use that in a couple places. That would be cool. I like these scissors with the yellow on it. We've got some of these little tiny bits that could be super useful. You know, they kind of stand in like they're enamel dots. Guys, I cut this one out, but I love this sticker one. I didn't know that I had one, so I'm just going to switch it out. Bummer, but you know, what are you going to do? Scrapbook is here, and I also have it there, so that one's fine. I heart crafting. I'm just seeing if there's anything that I super want to use. And you know how before I told you guys that I was thinking about making my background paper with this? I decided I was good with the white. If you wondered what was going on there, I'm good. Oh, I've got this little roll here. Kind of looks like washi. Oh, here's another one. I'm not trying to bring in like the ones that look like buttons, so I'm avoiding them a little tiny bit. This washi is super cute. So we've got a couple more of those little bits. I like this floral one, and I like this little heart. So clearly there's plenty of them for me to use. And then I'm good with that. These banners are adorable. Oh, here's another wood grain bit I think would be cute. Life is too short to not scrapbook everything. There you go. Okay, so that takes care of that. I think this will be my pre-made title. Let me get all of these pieces on here, and then we will take a look at the bingo card. So things are looking pretty good. I did find a flare from Scrappin Happy Studio, and it reads Happy Crafting. I thought that was super cute and would totally work. I'm gonna take a look really quickly. Oh, that totally matches the wall, but I'm not trying to bring out that wall color. Just sit back and unwind. Oh, so cute. These are kind of like vacation flare. But you know what I see right here? I see a brown one. And I don't use a ton of brown in scrapbooking, so I think I'm going to use that. That's cute. Like it's, I know it has kind of like emblems and things that look a little bit like barbecue implements and stuff, but you totally can't even tell. So that's fine. So I'm going to use these two extra little flare, because why not? The other flare that were in that like crafting set, they were these beautiful super bright colors, like bright pink, bright purple, all that kind of stuff, so they just weren't really gonna work. Wish they could have, but it was not gonna work for us. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, I like that little visual triangle. Okay, so let's look. Multi-photo. Nope. Stars. Once again, guys, let's see what we have left in Puffy Starland. Okay, Should just leave these on my desk today. I've just been crafting along and I keep using these. But they're just like this nice, ooh, this nice pleasant color, so you can totally use them. But we've got this aqua tone, guys. There we go. So I've got one there. You can use one over here. And then I'm going to use one up here as well. Perfect. And I'll need to use a little bit of liquid adhesive with that. That's fine. Stars, stickers. I used lots of stickers. Enamel dots. I don't think there's enamel dots with this set. So let me see what I have in this bin for enamel dots. And then the next place, ooh, guys, these will actually, they're not great for a match, but they're not bad. So I am gonna pop these right in. They're close enough, and that means I got to use something up. Awesome. All right, so I think these are gonna be too bright, too bright, too bright. Okay, not a big deal. So what I need to do now, let me look in this bin really quickly. This is like my next set of enamel dots that I wanna use up. Guys, look at all these white splatty bits that are on everything. Okay. I think I can use this one. Is it starting to read as too blue, or is it close? It's close. I'm going to leave it there for a second. I don't want to bring out the yellow any more than I have. That's too blue, purple, and pretty green, but the wrong color. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, get back on there, mister. All right, so those aren't going to work. All right, I'm going to go into the bin where I have my previous kits, and I'll look for more enamel dots. I did lots of fussy cutting. That's not really a thing. Wood veneer. Now, I don't think for my acrylics and wood veneer, I don't know if I have any of them in here that would work. See, those are beautiful, but too bright. Not the right shade. Let's see. You know, I can actually use some of these acrylics. This will work. So let me show you. I have got a geotag, which I can put right there. Then I have a heart in that same color. I might put it there. And I also have a white heart that I think I can put right there. Perfect. So then I'm down to just a couple left in that little set. All right, so that takes care of the, that was my wood veneer and acrylic little section I'm trying to work through. Circles, I have Flair. Numbers, nope. Double border, no. Wow. Sequins, I do have sequins right there, so I'll bring in a couple more. These are some Spiegel Mom Scrap sequins, and they're in the Sea Glass collection. I have a single photo chipboard. I'll see if I have any chipboard when I go through the kits. No vellum, don't have mixed media going. I have torn edges. I do have Flair and a pre-made title. No rainbow. Let's see, I have florals, and the puffy are the stars. Phew. So as things go, guys, this is starting to get built out. Pretty happy with it. I'm going to go through my previous kits, see what I can possibly put on here. And when I come back, I'll show you my finished layout. All right, my friends, that is this layout finished. I thought it was super fun to pop in these two different Flair sets. They are pretty, they match, it's great. Got another photo scrapped, and including the last 4 photos, I had pre-printed photos. I'm like, let me see if they can work with the kits I picked out, and they did. So that made me a super lucky happy girl. Not that that matters at all. Just brought it up. Anywho, so that's what I have today. I've got some sequins on there. You know what I don't have? I do not have these little acrylic pieces that we talked about tacked on at all. That would have been smart. I'm going to put that one right there, and then this one right here. Jeez Louise, guys. Okay, so that's what I have today. I'm going to have still shots to follow, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Glad I saw that before I put it away, and you never know where that spot's supposed to go, those little goodies. But I did use up lots of things. Is there anything I had to tell you? Oh, these were from an Echo Park collection. I brought in enamel dots from a couple of other collections from the scrap room. And yeah, all of these were from this Echo Park collection. So they totally worked. They're just black and white. They're fine. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.